Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to set up a Venmo business profile so you can start receiving payments for your goods and services. Venmo has become a popular platform for transactions, making it a great choice for business owners. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Download the Venmo app. If you don't already have the Venmo app, start by downloading it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app to create your account. Step 2. Create a personal account. If you're new to Venmo, you'll need to create a personal account first. Sign up using your email address or phone number, then follow the prompts to complete your registration. If you already have a personal account, you can skip to Step 3. Step 3. Access the Venmo menu. Once you're logged in, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, the menu icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account options. Step 4. Navigate to your settings. In the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Here, you'll find various options related to your account. Step 5. Select Business Profile. Within the settings, look for the option labeled Business Profile. Tap on it to begin setting up your business profile. Step 6. Create your business profile. You will be prompted to provide information about your business. Fill in the necessary details, including your business name, address, and a brief description of your services or products. You can also add a photo or logo to represent your business. Step 7. Connect your bank account. For smooth transactions, link a bank account to your business profile. Go to the Payment Methods section, select Add Bank, and follow the instructions to link your account securely. Step 8. Customize your profile. Consider customizing settings based on your preferences. You can choose a profile picture, set payment limits, and manage notifications to suit your business needs. Step 9. Make your profile discoverable. If you want customers to find your business easily, make sure your profile is set to public. This will allow anyone on Venmo to discover your business when searching. Step 10. Start accepting payments. Once your business profile is set up, you're ready to start accepting payments. Share your Venmo username or QR code with customers to facilitate transactions effortlessly. By following these steps, you can successfully create a Venmo business profile and start getting paid for your services in no time. Venmo simplifies payments for both you and your customers, enhancing your overall business experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and insights on managing your business effectively.